Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 42nd video in PyQt5 graphical user interface application development. In the previous video we have learned that how you can open a second window or second dialog in PyQt5, so you can see that we can open multiple dialogues and multiple windows in PyQt5. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can create QTimeEdit in PyQt5. So now let's get started. I have created a new Python file, and this is my Python file. Now I need to just copy this window code and paste it in here. This is just a simple code for creating window, and let me change the title to PyQt5 QTimeEdit. And now let me just run this, and you will see that I have a nice window. Now for creating our, let me just remove this Q push button in here. And okay, now also let me change this to QWidget. Okay, now let me import QTimeEdit, and also let me just import another class from PyQt5.qtcore import QTime. Okay, so now we have created this. Also I need a VBox layout, QVBox layout. Okay, let me create my method in here, def my time. First I need to a VBox layout, VBox QVBox layout. This is my vertical box layout. After this, let me create a time object, so QTime and time. Now I want to set the format of my time, set hour, minute, second, and for this now I want to give it like this. Okay, now we are going to create a time edit object, so QTimeEdit. Okay, this is my time edit. Now let me just set the font to my time edit dot set font cute GUI dot q font, and you need to give your font size and type. Okay, now we need to set our time to our time edit, so set time, and we want to set our time. Okay, and now add your VBox.addWidget, and I want to add my time edit and self.setLayout to the VBox layout. Okay, now in here you need to call your this method, so let me call it in here my time, self.myTime. Now this is my complete code, and I want to run this code. Okay, now you can see that this is my time edit, and you can change the time, and you can change the PM to AM, and this you can change the seconds like this. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos please subscribe to my channel, and also like the video and share the video.